Unfortunately, on the 24th of February, I woke up and I couldn't see my left eye, and it's been like it ever since. I've had to shut my work, and sadly I'm in the middle of clearing out this, not that I can see much, but so that's why there's been no Barkspeed videos for a little while. I've not been very well at all. I've lost nearly a stone, and my eyes are slightly better than what they were, but it's still very, very bright and very blurry. So be patient, and fingers crossed I will be back. I'm going to move everything over to my workshop at home rather than having a unit and a workshop, sadly, but I've done the painting, so that is just a case of getting my engine from Dave and putting it back. But I thought I'd do this little video just to say, so as it is at the moment, the last video I did was doing the carburetors, and then 2 days before my birthday I felt ill. So I'll be back, don't worry. And if you could subscribe, get the subscriptions up, that would be really good. Anyway, thanks, and bye for now. Cheers.